Hey guys, so to start this look, we're going to start with a dome-shaped brush and apply a matte brown eyeshadow into the socket of the eye. So the socket area is the place where it's that area below the brow bone. So it's very high up on the eyelid, on the upper eyelid area. And we're going to sweep this into that socket area and also underneath the eyelid. Now with that same brush, I'm going to apply a darker brown eyeshadow to the inner and outer corner of the eye. I'm going to keep the darker brown eyeshadow a little lower than the matte brown eyeshadow when I'm buffing it out. This way it'll just help the colors to blend together. Now at the center of the lid, right on top of the eyeball or where the iris would be, I'm going to do windshield wiping motions to connect those two outer brown eyeshadows. Now at the center of the lid, I'm going to use a concealer brush and apply eye primer to right on top at the center of the lid where the iris would be. And I'm going to do this because this is where I want the color to be most intense. After wiping off my concealer brush, I'm going to pick up this foiled eyeshadow and press it right into the eye primer. But I'm going to keep this color very center on the eyelid because when I open my eyes, the center, that is where the light is going to catch it the most, and it's just going to be the most pronounced. So I want to keep this color only in the center of the lid. Now going back to that dome-shaped brush, I'm going to blend that dark brown eyeshadow into this pyrite foil eyeshadow, so there's a little bit of a transition. I lost a little color while I was blending it out, so I'm adding a little bit more of that foil eyeshadow to the center of the lid. Now I'm going to apply mascara to my top lashes. Then I'm going to blend a brown eyeliner onto my waterline just to give my eyes some definition. Now along the bottom eyelid with the concealer brush, I'm going to apply more eye primer to the center of the bottom lid. And then wiping off that same brush, I'm going to apply the Pyrite Foil eyeshadow to the center of the bottom lid while looking up into another mirror. Looking straight up into another mirror will help to stretch the skin on the bottom lid so that I have an even application with this foil eyeshadow. Now I'm going to apply bottom lid mascara by holding the mascara wand up and down and coating each individual lash with the mascara, and then I'm going to flip the wand to hold it horizontally to comb out the lashes individually. And that's it for the eyes. Now I'm going to move on to the rest of the face. I'm going to use this bronzer that is like reddish bronze in color, and I'm going to apply this all over my face just to warm up the skin. I'm going to start at the forehead and then pull it down onto my cheekbones. And then to add some color and brightness, I'm going to apply this orange cheek color to my cheekbones. And then after that, I'm going to apply this chocolate nude lip gloss all over the lips. And that's the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and learned something new, please consider sharing it with some of your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification button. And if you have any questions about this look or suggestions about future videos, please let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.